What you got, Lizzie? Well, you picked your package out and grabbed your toy. Go, girl. Go, Lizzie. Miss Lizzie. He's 9 years old, maybe 10. Hi, Jazz. Hi, Jazz. Aren't you handsome? You like watching Lizzie play. Lizzie, you going under the sofa? Go get that toy. Yeah, she got it. Look who's up here. Miss Fancy's watching the action. Fancy has to be in the middle of the action. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. You're doing good for an old lady. Yeah, look at that girl. You act like... Look at Lizzie go. Get that toy, Lizzie. Get the toy. Oh, let's take the tree down too. It's my baby. Yes, my baby. Yes, my baby. Now, Fancy's going to show her. No, she's not. Good girl, Lizzie. Get the toy, Fancy. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie girl. Yeah. Good girl. Hi, good girl. Hi, Jazz. Aren't you going to get it? Jazz, you're camera shy. What's going on with you? Go, Lizzie. Tear the tree down, Lizzie. No, I didn't mean that. Good girl. Lizzie, you're quite the star this morning. You're quite the star this morning. Jazz is going to hide under the tree. Hi, pretty girl. You love Christmas, don't you? Yes, she loves Christmas.